Hey there, YouTube. I was just doing some work on the truck here. The old 2008 Sierra, 5.3 four-wheel drive. And I thought I would show a way of changing out the cam sensor. I've seen a few people struggling with that and thought I'd show you a really easy way. Clearly this is staged. Who are we kidding here? I have already had this out, but the sentiment's all the same. Anyway, obviously I've got this up on a hoist, so I do kind of have that advantage, but you know, I mean, realistically, you could just put it up on jack stands or roll it up on some ramps. So this is a four-wheel drive. Two wheels could very well are different, but anyway, all you need to do is take out the 4 bolts. You know, you'll probably want to use an impact or something because, like I say, I'm cheating. I already had these out. And I just stuck them in here, a couple of threads for demonstration purposes. Excuse me while I try not to drop this on my head. There we go. Just put this down here. So they're just the 4 bolts that will look like that. They're all the same diameter, same length. I recommend using an impact. Anyway, now the point is you get this fantastic view of right here, and all you need is a ratchet. Again, I'm cheating. I'm using an electric 10 mil, about a 6-inch extension. Seems to work fine and dandy. And that gives you lots of room to be able to go in, and there is simply 1 bolt down at the bottom here, which again I have cheated and it was already out. Of course, it's going to fight me coming out here. But you take out the 1 bolt down at the bottom. And if you look through the balancer, you can actually see the cam position sensor there. And there is just 1 bolt that holds both the little stub wiring harness here. Oh yeah, do yourself a favor and disconnect it first. Just pulls off a 3-pin. Tuck him out of the way. There's a nice clean shot straight through here. You don't even need to be able to see it. You can just go in there and feel it. But there is the 1 other bolt right through there that you simply need to take out. Sorry, this is a little shaky. I'm obviously shooting this handheld. But you just take out the other bolt there. Exactly like the other one. Stick that in my hand so I don't lose it. And then it's just a matter of reaching in behind and popping out the sensor. And because that 1 bolt holds the stub wiring harness and the sensor in together, it will come out as 1 piece. So there it is. So when it's installed, it's actually sitting like this on the block. Here, we'll stick the bolt back through there for the fun of it. Come on, get in there. There we go. So yeah, when it's sitting on the block, it's like that. So this is the, let me say, a little stub wiring harness, and it sits on top of the sensor. So pretty obviously when you go to put it back together, always make sure you put the sensor in first, then put the piece of metal in, or you can just take the whole thing like this, stick it in as 1 piece. And it sits. There's the hole for the cam sensor. And there's the bolt. The other bolt, trust me, it's up there. And there's the connector for it if anybody is wondering about the shape of it or whatever. And yeah, he sits right like that. Just that's the signal wire, the 5 volts in the ground. And that's it. Reverse is, like I say, these, just take the whole assembly, stick it back in. I like to shove the bottom bolt in just so that it isn't dingle-dangle flopping around. And then you can just reach in, get the top bolt. And let's see if I can zoom in there. Yeah, there is the bolt hole for the top. And the sensor is right beside it. And that's it. You put the plug back on, throw on the cover, and Bob's your uncle. So there's no fighting with it from the top. trying to, you know, see through the water pump that you clearly can't do. And that's about it. Anyway, this is obviously 2008 GMT900, which means that this is applicable to a 2007.5 up to 14. The earlier ones could very well be the same, but I'm sorry, I do not actually have personal experience with the GMT 800s, so you're on your own there. That's it. Until next time, see you later.